Here's how you can remove the background of a video in Capcut. First, drag the file in the timeline and click on the top right on video. Now you're on basic, you want to go to remove background and here to auto removal. As you can see, the background is black now. Now select your background, drag it under the file, and now as you can see, you have the person running without the original background. Now as you saw, there are some elements we don't want to have in the picture. Then click on resize. No, not on this. Resize on this video and crop it to just the person. Confirm, and now you got the video with a new background and no disturbing objects in the video. I hope this video was helpful. Click here for the next video.